build a quiz game with AI for free. All that you have to do is just click on start game. The questions will come just like this one. You select the answer and then the right answer pops up if you got it wrong. And then you have the option to click on next question, and then it will come, and at the end of it you will see that your score will pop up just like this one. Okay, and then the person will be able to play the game again by clicking on play again. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing. Just create an account with Google AI Studio. I'm having a video on how to create an account on my channel. Come and select the chat option. So over here it says welcome to AI Studio. You can simply come and then chat with Gemini right here from this box. All that you have to do is to simply come and then describe what you want the game to be like in simple English, just like this one. So I call Gemini wow. So I will say, wow, I want you to give me a prompt to create a game with Google AI Studio, and then I want the game to be about a general knowledge about the human body. Okay, where you'll be asked a question, and then the question will be about the human body with a timer of 5 seconds to pick the right answer. And after the right answer will be shown like when you get it wrong. Okay, just explain how you want the game to be like in plain English. Okay, and then after that simply come here and then come and click on the run. Okay, so when you click on it, Gemini is going to like look at what you just described, and then it is going to write a prompt, a detailed prompt just like this one. Okay, so let me show you where the prompt starts. So when you look at the response, you see that the prompt for the game starts from here. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then highlight everything. Okay, or you have the option to come and click on copy here, and then after highlighting and just right click on it and then come and click on the copy. Okay, and then simply come here to where you have the build and come and click on it. So the build over here, you have the option to create apps. Okay, that is where you are going to create our game. Okay, the quiz game, and then come and then paste in the prompt right here just like this one. After pasting it, simply come here to where we have the run prompt and then come and click on it. That is it. You don't have to do anything, just sit back, relax, and then watch your game being built for you, just like this one. So when you look here, you can see that we have the zoom in full version. Come and click on it, and you can come and click on start game, and that is it. You have your game built just like this. Easy, simple, no coding needed, as fast as it is. Okay, so that is it. This is how to create the quiz game. Okay, so when you come here, you can come and click on this arrow, and then the full text will be shown just like this one. Okay, and then when you want to see, just go to the build, and then you will see that over here we have your apps. When you click on it, you will see the apps that you have created with Google AI Studio. Okay, so this is the new one. Let's click on it, and it is going to be open just like this one. Okay, and then on top, the right hand corner, you see that we have the share app option. You can come and share it. You can come and then download the app. You can come and then copy the app, and then you can save it. As you can see, it is currently on save. So let's click on the save, and then it will be saved for us. Okay, so this is how to get a quiz game as fast as you can. Like the video, and I see you in my next video.